The 1105 project is an effort to bring the Crisis Center, the National Alliance on Mental Illness, the Domestic Violence Intervention Program, and the Free Lunch Program under one roof at 1105 Gilbert Court in Iowa City, which is situated directly next door to the Crisis Center's main building.
All of the 4 agencies in this project are so important to our community and the people in need. The Crisis Center, the Free Lunch Program, the Domestic Violence Intervention Program, and the National Alliance on Mental Illness all provide services that people in our community need. And the really unique aspect of this project is that it brings those 4 agencies close together, and they can provide shared programming.
This unique undertaking will solve many of the challenges faced by these agencies, allowing the Crisis Center and NAMI to hold many of their events and meetings on site, rather than having to arrange for separate locations around town. The Free Lunch Program's lease at its current home in the Wesley Center ends on December 31st, 2013, and they need to move in by January 1st, 2014 in order to continue serving their clients. 1105 will also provide a public storefront for DVIP, where victims of domestic violence can safely seek assistance under cover of visiting another of the agencies at 1105.
The 4 agencies that are using this space are all interrelated in the things that we offer people. We're hoping that we can offer support groups to the people that use the Free Lunch Program, those that are living with a mental illness, that we may be able to start support groups before and after lunch. Same with the Domestic Violence Intervention Program. We're hoping to partner with them more in providing our classes for the people that use their services. And of course, we work very closely with Crisis Center also with suicide prevention and other ways to help families and members or people living with a mental illness.
We've worked very, very hard to come up with resources that diminish overhead expenses, that diminish the duplication of resources, that really look at how we work together to create a process that's much more accessible to individuals who need our resources and really cut down the barriers for them of having to try and get to 3 or 4 different places.
The Crisis Center purchased 1105 Gilbert Court for $1 from Johnson County in 2012, but the building still requires extensive renovation before any of the agencies can move in.
We're still actively engaged in our capital campaign, and we are still looking at raising about $700,000 to $800,000 yet for the building to finish the interior. We've got some exterior work to do yet. So yeah, we need people to, if you want to come over, take a look at it, give me a call. I'd be happy to open the doors and we can at least peek in, talk about what the project is, the collaboration and what makes it special and unique. We need people to get excited about that and help support the project because it is a really unique collaboration. It's not a campus, so to speak. It's a collaboration of shared facility.
There hasn't been a collaboration like this of agencies in this community where, we're, as they say, working not only harder but smarter, where we're sharing our facilities, sharing our operational costs, where we're collaborating so that we can be of greater benefit to our clients. Providing them more help more easily.
I'm just so hopeful that the community will continue to support this, both in their word of mouth for letting people know about our programs, but also financially, which is very key. We really still need a great deal of financial support to make this happen.